We think that it positions Canada for economic failure ultimately, and that this bill can't go forward at this point if this is the approach the government wants to take.
Limited growth and missed opportunities. That's the outlook for Canada's oil and gas sector as it tries to forecast the future, which could see massive changes as a result of Bill C-69.
The pipeline companies and the pipeline industry in general have said if Bill C-69 goes forward in its current form, nothing will be built, nothing will even come forward. And what we saw yesterday was the government tipping their hand and saying, in its current form is its final form, and that is unacceptable.
A lot of the frustration is aimed squarely at Federal Environment Minister Catherine McKenna, who called the proposed amendments copy and paste recommendations written by oil lobbyists.
She continues to profile our industry as if we aren't responsible. It's disrespectful, and it's not true.
I think it would be fair to say that those amendments that were put in by CAP really represented the combined view, collective view of the industry. We walked out of those discussions with a view that we had agreement with government, that that was a reasonable package of amendments, and if they made it through the Senate, that the government would be okay with them. The fact that the vast majority of them have not made it into the proposed final bill, I think is a tragedy.
The turmoil is hammering investment, with one CEO saying the majority of energy companies are trading at or near 52-week lows.
Unfortunately, today, when we're trying to raise capital in New York and Boston, in the capital centers of the world, they're viewing the political risk in Canada as a barrier to entry, and we're losing. We've lost half of our capital investment.
With less than a week to go until a decision, there is optimism the Trans Mountain Pipeline will be built, along with Keystone XL and Line 3. But the feeling is, if C-69 passes in its current form, those could be the last energy infrastructure projects ever built in Canada. In Calgary, Jonathan Muma, City News.